Hello and welcome. And in this video I would like to show you that perhaps I found a solution for using this red therapy light without this lamp holder. Perhaps we can find another way to put it on the table and use it comfortably, for instance in the place when you're doing your makeup for some face treatment. So let's check it out. Probably you've seen on my other video that I tried to fit that big light bulb LED light in this lamp, but it was too big, it didn't work. And I also got myself this lamp holder, but because the light is so heavy, it doesn't want to stay in a correct position for therapy. So I was just wondering what I can do to use it, for instance, for face therapy, like if I want to work on my skin on the face, like, you know, rejuvenating. That's what it's called, like beauty therapy. Quite often people use it, red therapy light, for this purpose. So I wonder what is the way, what I can use. Here it is. This is a standard tabletop microphone stand, which I use for my microphone, and now I've got a microphone on another stand. So this one I can show for demonstration. So as you see, this one is adjustable, so you can adjust the height of it, so you can lower it down or up according to what you like. And then we are going to place the light bulb with therapy lights in that light holder. And then of course to do it we need some sort of extension, because the light stand, it comes only with this type of screw. As you see, it's a big thread. So for attaching a light holder like this one usually comes with the light stand for photo lights. Then we need to have these two pieces of equipment. So this goes on top of that light stand, which allows us to screw this bit, which is an attachment for the light stand. So let's just screw it in as well, and now we've got it. So let's see, now we can attach that light to the light stand, and here it is. So you can see we can move it up and down a little bit. We can turn it down and up what angle we require. So if somebody wants to do for arthritic hands, for instance, you can try to do it like this. Let me demonstrate how it works. I just need to plug it in. And because this light is so small that you have to use it one hand at a time, as you see, because if we turn it on, it will shine only on one hand. It doesn't cover two hands, so just one hand at a time. And remember, for therapy for physiotherapy you need to have this light close, about 6 inches from your body, and you do usually about 10 to 15 minutes on the particular spot of the body to let the light go into your tissue, into your muscles and bone, and do that the work, which usually is like improving your the count of ATP in your body, in your mitochondria. It means you're boosting the energy of your cells, and also increasing the production of collagen, which all together combined helps boosting the rejuvenating processes in your tissue. So as you see, with this light you can use it one hand at a time, but it will be of course more time consuming. So if you're considering that your time is really precious and you have no time for this kind of therapy, check out my setup with the bigger therapy light here, where I put both hands at the same time, and of course it takes only one session to do two hands. So if you wanted to do some therapy on your face, to do skin rejuvenating, that you would probably put the lamp like this, maybe a little bit higher. And I don't like the brightness of the light. So I always use some kind of goggles, protective goggles. It actually comes together with the lights you buy, so it's recommended to protect your eyes. It's not that it's going to hurt your eyes, it's just so bright that it's uncomfortable. So I would do like this and turn the light and do some therapy like this for about 10 to 15 minutes. And you can check, you can see how the light is operating on my face. Is it covering all my face or just a part of it? Of course, you can move the light further away to have a bigger coverage, but then you will lose on intensity on the light. And there's this inverse square law in light and in photography and everything else collecting to the light. So you need to remember that when you want to cover more of your body with the light, you will probably want to move the light away from your body, but then you will lose intensity of the light. So less light will actually come to your skin and do the work. So you need to judge if it's actually a good idea or not. That's why, for instance, professional quality lights like this one, they have so many LEDs, and that they allow you to sit in front of it quite close and shine on a large area of your body, like for instance your face, your neck, you know, all this area at one time, saving your time and of course making your therapy more pleasurable and also more efficient, because you have much higher density of light hitting your skin and going into your body. So with this, you just need to judge if it's good enough for you or not. So this is one of the solution I found, and you can also, for instance, use it if you have problems with knees as well. So you can put that stand on the floor and then adjust the light accordingly to shine, for instance, on your knee. And if you want to use it on your elbow, it's probably you will have to put it like on some sort of desk and then hold like this for 10 minutes. So it is doable, and this seems to work this time. So this is the update on using this cheap therapy light bought from Amazon, and this time I'm using it with the microphone stand. So I hope this video was helpful. Please check out my dedicated website about red light therapy, what lights I use, what lights I recommend. Perhaps you also are interested in bigger lights to cover more area of your body. So check the link in the video description below. And if you're ready to purchase platinum LEDs, you can use my name as a coupon code. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot.